Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Cash cow content refers to evergreen content that consistently generates revenue or drives significant traffic over a long period. It is valuable, high-performing content that continues to provide returns on investment long after its creation. Cash cow content remains relevant and in demand, often attracting a steady stream of traffic or generating income through various monetization strategies. To make money from Facebook using cash cow content, here are some strategies you can consider. 1. Build a niche Facebook page. Create a Facebook page focused on a specific niche or topic. Post valuable and engaging cash cow content regularly, such as informative articles, tutorials, videos, or inspirational quotes. As your page grows, you can monetize it through various means. 2. Affiliate marketing. Join relevant affiliate programs and promote products or services through your Facebook page. Share affiliate links within your cash cow content or in dedicated posts, and earn a commission for each sale or action made through your referral. 3. Sponsored content. As your page gains a significant following, brands may approach you for sponsored content opportunities. They may want you to feature their products or services in your cash cow content or create dedicated posts about them. Negotiate sponsored content deals directly with brands or work through influencer marketing platforms. 4. Facebook Instant Articles. Utilize Facebook Instant Articles to publish your cash cow content directly on the Facebook platform. This feature allows for faster loading times and a better user experience. You can monetize instant articles through Facebook Audience Network, which displays ads within your content. 5. Video monetization. If you create video content, you can monetize it on Facebook through in-stream ads. Facebook offers ad breaks within videos, allowing you to earn revenue based on ad views or clicks. Focus on creating engaging and valuable videos that align with your cash cow content strategy. 6. E-commerce and product promotion. If you have your own products or an online store, leverage your cash cow content to promote them on Facebook. Share product updates, special offers, or exclusive discounts to your audience. Use compelling visuals, persuasive copy, and strategic calls to action to drive sales. 7. Facebook groups and communities. Create or join Facebook groups related to your niche. Engage with members, share your cash cow content, and build a community. Over time, you can promote relevant products, services, or even membership programs within the group. 8. Audience building and email marketing. Focus on building an engaged audience on Facebook by regularly posting valuable cash cow content, interacting with your followers, and encouraging discussions. Encourage users to sign up for your email newsletter, allowing you to further nurture the relationship, promote offers, and drive conversions through email marketing. Remember to comply with Facebook's policies and guidelines, and always provide value to your audience with your cash cow content. Building trust and maintaining a loyal following are key to long-term success. Monitor your analytics, experiment with different monetization strategies, and adapt your approach based on the preferences and needs of your Facebook audience. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.